What's good with YouTube? We back with another video, guys. Package finally arrived. Now, don't tell me they put in this big box for an alternator. It's supposed to be my alternator. And you tell me I got this big old box. Look at all that room in there, man. All that room. Some Summit Racing. Summit Racing alternator, guys. I got my alternator, man, for my Chevy. Yes, sir. Oh, let me sit it on it. Oh, sitting on the ground. See what we got. Let's open this thing. See what we got, man. I'm hoping it's the right one. I know I'm probably gonna have to change the pulley off of it. Oh, okay. Now I got the one with the what's the name? So it's the one with the plug. Oh shit. Okay, good. Okay, how about to say it's the one with the plug on there, so 14 volts. Boom and boom. All right, guys. All right. Shout out to Summit. Got this alternator, man. We're gonna see what it do. I'm thinking I'm still gonna have to charge the battery to charge for the alternator to charge the battery right now anyway. So that's probably what we're going to do. So first things first, man, I'm gonna disconnect battery cable, all that stuff, all that good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and snatch this alternator back off. We're gonna put the other one. All right, guys, so I got a question. So I had a guy that comment, he inboxed me and everything. He said the reason why I'm keep burning them up is because this supposed to be on this side. He said this is ground, but this supposed to be. Oh well, this red ain't even hooked up though. Red ain't even hooked up though. That's the killer part. But I think he said this is supposed to be on the battery side. Like it's supposed to be this way. But I told him about this clip. He said I might have to break that clip, but it's supposed to be on that side, not this side. So that means this goes to this then. See if I can research, you know what I'm saying? Do a little stuff right here. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Do me a favor, y'all new to the channel, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all can hear my voice. I'm a little sick. Well, my voice is, my damn throat been bothering me lately, so that's why I can't yell and scream like I want to. But we finna go do some research on that, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. We gonna crank up, man, and see what type of energy it gives us, you know. So this is a bigger alternator than the one I have. So we're gonna see, man. I think this is a 120 or something like that. But we're gonna see what kind of energy she got. But we'll catch y'all back on. All right, guys, so we just did research, and shout out to my boy, man. He was showing me a little bit. But anyway, so he inboxed me like I was telling earlier. Y'all remember, I don't know if y'all do remember, but when I had the alternator hooked up and when I had this wire back here, it started smoking. I was like, man, why the fuck this shit start smoking, right? So he told me he noticed the red wire was on this side and the white wire was on this side. I need to reverse the wires. I need to reverse them wires and put this back on here, but reverse it. So it might not do it then. Now, I don't know if that'll work, but we're gonna try it. At the end of the day, I think that's why, you know. I did tell him about the tab, but he said, man, you can get one from AutoZone and stuff like that. So I'm gonna figure that out, guys. We're gonna go from there, man. But it's about to get dark, so we need to hurry up and go on and try that, and we'll catch y'all back on, man, in a minute. All right, now guys, we got it hooked up. We got the alternator hooked up. So I remember doing this before, and it started smoking when I stood there, because I know that battery just, you know what I'm saying, I think the battery dead itself. So we're gonna jump off and let it run, and then go from there, guys. So go grab this battery cable. I think I had that motherfucker on there the whole time backwards, I think. So if I'm not mistaken, but the plug, I was just going along with the plug. Couldn't been on backwards, but who knows? Like I said, I was just going along with the plug, guys. plug had that side on, that's when I put that side on. All right. I'm gonna go from there, man. See if we can crank it up. I'm gonna go grab my keys real quick. Bring my keys out. All right, man, we got the key. I don't see nothing funny going on. Let's see what we got. Damn. Motherfucker just still dead. I know what to do. Cause it happened the other day. I'm gonna have to put bet I ain't got enough juice to it. Yeah, definitely ain't got enough juice to it, so I learned that. So we're gonna let it run for a little bit. We're gonna go back and take the battery cable off and see if it's gonna stay running. And if it do, we good. That's what we want. But yeah, I did learn that, man. When the battery dead, it's hard to crank it, so you gotta get on the frame. So about that time me to go and change the oil in this thing too. But the lights and stuff, let me see. Okay, lights and stuff back twerking. Nothing's dead. I say I'm gonna let it run probably about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, sir. So we're gonna let it run, guys. We'll cut y'all back on better cable and see if it's gonna stay running. So hopefully that plug did it. I hope. Like right now, it's not doing none of that crazy stuff it was doing. So we just hope everything good with the alternator. But y'all want to see which alternator I got? The Power Master kind. I don't know. Let me see part number right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save this alternator, this box. I'm gonna save this box just because it got the part number. And I can't, well, I got a cord. So I'm gonna keep this too for a cord one day, or I might need it for something. So check out these lights. That mother, like she got a cam in it. What I'm gonna do, I might finna owl it up a little bit. I'm finna turn my AC on, see what these lights look like. All right, lights bright. So let's turn the AC on and see what we got. Let me see. So she blowing good. All right, there you go. Click on, put it in drive. Okay. So she sound pretty good. I hear that AC. Oh, she blowing through the vents now. Oh God. Oh God. No. She's blowing through the vents. Y'all don't believe me? Let me prove it to you. Y'all don't, matter of fact, I'm glad these leaves in this one. Y'all don't believe me? Hold on, that one ain't gonna work. Good. But, damn, hold on. I think when she, let me see. Okay. That bit blowing. I know y'all see that leaf. Yeah, y'all see that motherfucking leaf blowing. Y'all see it blowing. Don't act like it. Yes, sir. I think with these cars, man, when you driving, the AC gonna blow. The more I hit on the gas. Yeah, because right now it's coming. It's like that. Yeah, I don't know why it's like that, but it's like that. Let's see something real quick. Why I got y'all. We got this little thing. Let's see how it do.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, man, chick, put your hands up high.
Damn.
I tell them, turn the lights down.
That bit beat.
Right now, put me in the
Oh yeah. Alright guys, do me a favor, comment below guys and let me know what it is when the lights dim. I know there's something that can help that out. Do I got a battery back here? I don't even think I got a fucking battery back here. That's what I need. I need a battery back here too, so they can help that. What's the name? Got this battery, but I don't know if this battery is good. So I'm gonna charge this battery by, how can I do this? I don't even think this battery is good, to be honest with you. It's been about 7 minutes now. Got the car running. So we're gonna take it off the cables, take the cables off. We're gonna see. Yes, sir. As y'all can see, she's good now. Got the battery cable off, guys. Thank y'all for watching the video, man. Do me a favor, y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications on, guys. We done finally did it, man. Turn the post notifications on, man. We done finally did it, guys. We out here grinding, man, working. So, yes, sir, man. That's what we got, but and it look good. Still comment below, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Only thing I gotta do to this car really is change the valve cover gaskets. So that's all. I ain't even thought about putting on headers or nothing, man. I'm just gonna change the gaskets out and be done with it, you know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna take that stuff off so we won't, you know, cause nothing. But we're gonna do that, guys, man. Thank y'all for watching, man. Sorry I just been not making the videos lately, man. The boy been down, but I still been grinding. I've been really busy, guys, so I ain't just been recording everything. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, but we back getting rolling, man. So we got some new content for y'all, man. We got surprises for y'all. We got some stuff hidden behind camera type thing, behind the scene type thing, man. But y'all do me a favor, man. Y'all smash that like button, man, and stay tuned to the channel, man. Hey, I got some good shit on the way. Let's get it.